Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be changing the fog light bulbs from halogen to LEDs. As you can see, the halogen bulb is not that bright. Here we have the OEM halogen bulb, and next to it is our new tricolor LED bulb we ordered online for around $30. There will be a lot of options, but when you order yours online, make sure it has the external ballast to make sure it will be bright. Remove your bumper and take out the halogen bulb. Removing the bulb is counterclockwise. Then grab your new LED bulb. Install is clockwise. Then just do the same thing on the other side. And then for the connector, it sometimes depends on the car because some cars have different wirings, so you need to reverse the polarity like on Asian cars. Some American cars you will need some type of decoder, so please check your instructions before installation. Here is the comparison of the halogen versus LED bulb. And then we test it with no lights in the garage. We got white, yellow, and warm. And this time both with LED. I actually like the yellow, especially when it's raining, cause I can see through the rain and fog clearly. So that sums up our video for today. If this helped, please give it a like and hit subscribe for more car tips. See you on the next one.